cleaned the carpets in here last night. They left them real wet.
Yeah.
Who is hiding?
Still blood over here on the floor.
What? Blood?
Yeah. All over the floor right here.
Yeah, we're sanitation, Sam Matt. Give him a call.
Housekeeping.
I was gonna do that.
House clipping.
Whoa, whoa! What is he doing over there? You see that dangle is climbing up on the. That's not very nice.
Take her out, Davenport's a doppelganger.
Yeah, it is a doppelganger. Monkey, you're on a leash. You cannot go that far. Gosh.
That monkey's out of control, Your Honor.
He's not. He's fine.
You sure?
Just
I
went to
think he
sleep.
just knocked himself out.
He's just
He just went to sleep.
Is that tired monkey?
He just went to sleep, but yeah, there's blood all
Ah!
over.
Look.
He's for sure dead.
Oh, it didn't work.
Sleep. Good monkey.
This didn't happen.
Oh, you scared my monkey!
Don't shoot me.
Don't worry, it's okay. She was a ghost in a person's body.
It didn't really happen. It's okay.
Sir, do you mind stepping away from the judge until we get opening statements started? I don't feel comfortable with you being so close to me.
I don't feel comfortable
my judge.
with that either.
I'm not even talking to him. You can back up, bailiff.
I'm just asking you to step away from the.
You're pushing me
step
away from
the
him.
judge,
I don't
sir.
need your hands on me, sir.
Sir, please step
See,
away
I
from
Are you
the
trying to
judge.
catch a case, sir?
My job is to keep
your
decorum in the
arrogant.
office, and you're directly inferior.
Yeah, and I
float
can
behind
smell
the
your
desk.
breath from here. So go ahead and go
So
back.
please
over there for me,
step
please.
back over to your
Davenport.
table, sir, and we'll move on.
Strangle
with our
him.
Use your
I'm
strength.
gonna have to ask you to step away from me, sir.
I hope this is on record that he is being unreasonable, like he was with my
Oh,
monkey.
Jed,
Yeah.
where's the camera?
Mhm.
Jed,
Very
get
un-
the fuck
he's
out of
Jed,
the corner.
unreasonable.
Move
Jed,
back over
Jed's
to your
facing the
goddamn
Jed's
table.
facing the wall. Jed's facing the wall. Lol.
Jed, this is content.
Jed, you idiot.
Restrain him and place him in his position.
Mr. Dangle, can you return to your table, please?
Good job, monkey. Good salute.
Now what?
What a sucker.
Well, my lawyer
I
was
can still be
here,
a
and
lawyer. I can still be a lawyer.
I don't trust you.
Oh, I won't do anything too bad.
Too bad. This should all be in my favor.
Yeah, exactly. Not too bad. I promise.
All right, let's get this going as quickly as we can now. Your Honor, today's case is the State of Paradise versus Kevin and the Monkey.
Kevin Sharp, sir. Kevin
Is the
Sharp.
prosecution ready?
Yes.
Defense, are you ready?
Yep.
All right. Prosecutor, opening statement, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. Today we're going to talk about why this monkey is crimes against the public safety. We're going to talk about why his owner, Mr. Kevin Sharp, is reckless, and with his criminal record, he should not be allowed to own a pet. And we're going to talk about some of the charges that this monkey's faced today within the last 3 hours. And we hope you reach a guilty verdict when we're done.
Right, defense, opening statement, please.
Thank you, Your Honor. So we're here today because the PD wants to treat animals negligently, and my client and his pet have done nothing wrong. So hopefully my client and his pet can walk out here free.
Okay, thank you. Right, prosecution, do you want first piece of evidence or witness, please?
Yes, Your Honor, I'd like to call Mr. Kevin Sharp up to the stand.
Okay, Mr. Sharp, would you outside?
All right, sir. Hold on here. Stand here for a second. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right. Okay,
And my
I guess
monkey
your
does.
monkey's coming up as well.
Yeah, he's a good monkey.
Can I get the monkey to swear under oath as well?
He did. He raised his hand.
Objection,
Dingle.
Your Honor.
What? On the bed.
Sustained. The monkey can't.
monkey,
The monkey can't talk. Sustained.
All right, Your Honor, I'd like to begin.
Carry on.
Mr. Sharp, would you say today you and your monkeys had a pretty reckless day?
I would not say that. No.
objection, leading.
Sustained. Maybe rephrase the question.
Okay, we could just move on. Mr. Kevin, is this a fact that your monkey got caught with an assault rifle today and you pled guilty to these charges?
Objection, leading.
It's a yes or no question.
Answer
Your
the
Honor.
question. Answer the question.
Okay, so my monkey did get caught with an
It's a
assault
yes or no
rifle.
question, sir.
That was found, and that he found somewhere. Okay. And I've already taken care of that by paying the fees.
Your Honor, I'd like the record to show that we GSR tested this monkey, and he did have traces
Okay.
of gunpowder on him.
Okay, and is it true that you've already charged the defendant for this, and so this matter
This
has been
initially,
dealt with?
Yes, Your Honor, and I'm going to get to that in a second here.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Sharp, thank you so much. No further questions, Your Honor.
Okay. Defense, any questions?
No further questions, Your Honor.
Okay.
Your Honor, I'd like to call up Officer Hughes to the stand.
Okay. Okay, Officer Hughes, if you would.
Cubes, jump.
Sir, please don't be aggressive with me. Please stand there until I hold out my Bible. All right. Please raise your right hand. Do you swear to tell the whole truth? Oh, okay. Well, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right. You didn't have your hand up, but we'll let it slide.
Mr. Hughes,
Yes, sir.
in your expert testimony, would you say that you saw this monkey jump off of a hospital and land on the concrete?
Yes, sir, that is a fact.
Would you say at this time the initial reason you went after this monkey was there's gunshots in the area? Would that be a fact as well?
Yes, sir.
So what you're telling me, Mr. Hughes, is that this monkey was in possession of an assault rifle, fired it, got on top of a hospital, and jumped off?
I would say yes,
Objection,
sir.
leading.
We ran a gunshot
It's a yes or no
residue
question,
test
Your Honor.
on the monkey. Yes, he did fire a weapon.
Okay,
I
Mr.
think
Hughes,
since
and
those
after he
charges
fired,
have already been. Okay.
please,
Sir, I'm going to ask you to please be quiet during this proceedings.
Mr. Hughes,
Yes, sir.
at this time, what happened after the case that we found the monkey injured and he was brought, to medical attention? What's the rest of the situation that you saw from your expert testimony?
Before we called EMS, Kevin Sharp approached us, and at this point, we kind of realized it was his monkey. He later confirmed this to us. So we transported Kevin and the monkey to PD. Kevin pleaded guilty to the weapons charges that you were talking about because the monkey was in possession of a Class 3 firearm, and then a GSR test on the monkey confirmed there was residue on him. And then I would say Kevin, he paid the fine, took ownership back of the monkey. I went back to the garage to get my car and go back on patrol. And then at this point, you radioed that we needed assistance behind PD, and the rest of I mean, I showed up, the monkey was down, and you were just kind of taking control of the situation.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Hughes. No further questions, Your Honor.
Okay. Defense. Hughes, get back on the
I have to
stand.
stay up here. I'm sorry, I didn't know that.
Sir, please,
Yep.
thank you. Please just stay in your
Can
seat.
you exactly tell me what happened with the monkey and if you saw anyone else with the monkey?
I did not see anybody else with the monkey. I was actually responding to a different scene, and I got a call for shots fired, which was just about a block away. I arrived at the scene. I saw originally what I thought was a person climbing up the ladder, and then I get up there, and the person turned out to be a monkey. And then I chased him to the edge of a multi-story building. We were on the roof, and then he jumped off.
And then you said that you did a GSR test on the monkey, correct?
One of my other officers did. It happened right in front of me.
So where did the monkey get the assault rifle, Hughes?
I have no idea.
Isn't it true that you said that my client, Mr. Sharp over here, gave the monkey the assault rifle? Is that correct?
I said I did not say that. I said the monkey's under ownership of Kevin Sharp. So if we were treating it as if we were treating a child, so if we were treating this case as if it were a child, then the parent would be responsible. So if Kevin Sharp is the legal guardian for the monkey, then Kevin Sharp is responsible for anything in that monkey's possession. Similarly to if you're driving a car and you claim evidence in the car is not yours, you're in ownership of the car, therefore you're in ownership of it.
So isn't it true that you're trying to charge my client, Mr. Sharp, and his monkey with flight from a peace officer? Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, no further questions.
Okay. Prosecution, any crossovers?
No further questions for Mr. Hughes.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Hughes, would you take your seat, please? Any more evidence, Mr. Dangle?
Yes, Your Honor. I'd like to call up Mr. Kevin to the stance.
Okay.
I was already there once.
You would,
Okay.
Go back. Your Honor, I'd like to look at Exhibit A, the body cam footage that I've sent you.
Okay, yeah.
And provided the courts with.
Yeah, the footage has been reviewed.
So after Mr. Kevin pled guilty for the possession of a Class 3 firearm, we decided to let the monkey free, as you can see on the body cam footage. I then placed the monkey outside of the garage. I uncuffed him, and within 10 seconds of him being uncuffed, he was reckless and threw feces at me.
I did put a leash on my monkey.
The leash was not effective as he got out of it, Your Honor, and threw feces at an officer. Let the record show.
So, yeah. Okay.
And then this monkey proceeded to run away from us and trying to get into Mr. Kevin's car so they could flee. Mr. Kevin was then there taunting.
Irrelevant.
Your Honor,
let him carry on.
Your Honor, Mr. Kevin was trying to entice the monkey to jumping his car and getting away from the scene. At that point, I did take out my non-lethal, and as soon as that monkey hopped into that car, Your Honor, you can review it
Objection,
on Exhibit A.
speculation.
It is not speculation, Your Honor. As you could see clearly on Exhibit A, once he entered the vehicle, I did fire my non-lethal and got the monkey out of the vehicle as he was evading us at that time.
Okay.
I do believe this monkey has supernatural abilities where he can understand humans, get into cars, fire assault weapons, and commit crime. I believe this monkey
He is very scared of
unable.
guns.
Sir, please, can I finish?
Sorry, what was that? I had a voice in my head.
This monkey will be guilty of committing crimes against the public, and I also believe that Mr. Kevin is too reckless with his criminal history that's also presented on Exhibit B to own a pet or be a guardian of this caliber.
Okay. Any further
Mr.
questions
Kevin,
from defense?
Just one more for Mr. Kevin, if I could. Mr. Kevin, would it be true that your monkey escaped from his leash when you were behind garage of Mission OPD?
He did slip out of the leash. Yes, that is true.
No further questions, Your Honor.
Okay. Defense, any questions?
All right, Kevin, do you want to tell the court today exactly what happened after you were released?
Yes. So, we were released, right? And I put the monkey on a leash, and he's very unhappy, right? Because he's been in cuffs for a while, and he is a monkey, right? He's not a person. He's not a little kid or anything like that. He's a monkey. Guns scare him. So, he hadn't been able to go to the bathroom for a while. So he pooped and threw it at Dangle, and everyone knows that Dangle is, a jerk. So
objection,
that's why
Your
he
Honor.
threw poop at him.
Yeah. Please rephrase that.
The monkey was very upset with Dangle. Okay, so then he threw poop at him. Okay, I tried to get the monkey to get in my car, right, so that we could, settle the situation between just me and Dangle, and put the monkey in the car. But Dangle proceeded to chase my monkey with a weapon and shoot him.
All right, Mr. Sharp.
And what he shot him with killed my monkey, or put him down, like injured him very, very badly. We had to get EMS to revive him.
Bailiff, person in the front row, white shirt, black cap, can you eject him, please?
Yes, sir. Sir, we can do this the easy way or the hard way. Please follow me.
I didn't even see what happened.
And then is there anything else you'd like to add on to that,
All right, sir,
Mr.
we're going to have
Sharp?
to ask you to wait out here or leave.
The only thing is,
You'll not be allowed
I
to
don't
do
see
so.
why my criminal record is a thing here. I've always
If he
done my
gets back in,
time.
you're authorized to use
If
force
I've
to
ever
keep him
gotten
out.
any warrants, I've always shown up. I always, pay. And I mean, you guys brought up all the other charges before about the monkey. I did pay that willingly. So there's things.
Objection, Your Honor.
You
Those
gotta
are
wait
only brought up
outside.
as
How many times do we have to tell you I'm gonna place you in cuffs?
permission to approach the bench, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Can you not check on me, please? I said don't check on me, dude.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Well, to be quite fair, Dingles, you didn't really treat the monkey very fairly while he was in the cell. You did not, Dingle. You did not. It's besides the point, Your Honor. Like I said, Dingle, he has no right
Let
to
me
say
in.
who is fit to own a pet.
Fucko.
Yes, and he's a monkey.
Mm-hmm.
It's an animal.
Yeah.
What do you expect?
Sir,
Wasn't
And
evading.
how
Objection to evading.
is and how
get
how do you know the
Let me
monkey
back in.
evaded?
Again.
Does
Scared of the guns.
Dingles, with all due respect, it's an animal. What do you expect?
We already talked about that. I
Your
don't know
Honor,
how
this
he
is all
got that.
speculation.
As we can all see, Officer Sheriff Dangles
Defense,
is
do you
slowly
have any,
balding in the back.
evidence to provide to the court?
The only thing I would like to say
No,
is...
we do not.
Go on, Mr.
Go
Sharp.
ahead, Kevin.
Okay, so I understand, the monkey is a little, overbearing for the town, and I did buy the monkey for my son, and
Okay. Who's
I
your
can
son,
see now
sir?
that the monkey.
Sorry?
No, I bought the monkey for my son, little Kev.
Yeah, who that would be? Little Kev, is that his full name, or does he have
Yep.
a
Little Kev.
Okay.
That's his full name.
Okay.
Your Honor, that's not his full name.
Oh, good
but
lord, you gotta
continue
watch
on,
that
Mr.
monkey.
Sharp.
Something smells in here.
But so I think the monkey will be a little too much for little Kev. So I do want everyone to know that I will be releasing the monkey back to the wild,
Okay.
so that he can go back with his family. The only thing that I would like is I would like to get my bond money back, as I really don't think that the monkey was in the wrong. I was trying to put him in the car so me and Dangle could talk, but I mean, he is a monkey. He's not a person, so he was
Your
scared
Honor,
of
we'd
the
still like to
guns.
prosecute to the full extent.
Please don't climb up there.
Sorry.
I feel threatened.
Your Honor, please
Yep,
refrain
sir, please.
Dingles from climbing up there again.
We'd still like to
Yeah,
prosecute
don't-
to the full extent, Your Honor, as we believe that this was this was all caused by the negligence of Mr. Kevin.
And with all due respect, sir, there
Could
is
everyone
no
step back towards the
law
podium and
about
have 2 feet
negligence
away to prevent
of an
attacks
animal.
on the judge? Thank you very
Or
much.
the prosecution
would you,
can't continue on with that charge because there is no existing charge with negligence of an animal.
Mhm. I'm well aware of our laws, miss. If you would want to take your seat back, and Mr. Sharp, if you would like to take your seat as well.
Okay, thank you. Come on, monkey. Good monkey. Judge, would you like to pet my monkey before I take him all the way back?
No, I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, just checking.
Right, bailiff. Short recess while I think on said matters, and yeah, if you would.
Let's go outside.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, everyone, please leave the courtroom for a short recess.
Beep, 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 beep.
The judge will
You've got a
begin
gun.
his deliberations in his mind.